everyone, welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. My name is Suman Shankar. In this video I am going to talk about law of mass action. Before my class I am going to talk about the what is the characteristics of chemical equilibrium, what is the basic terminology of chemical equilibrium. Now in this video I am going to talk about law of mass action. Friends, what is the law of mass action? Law of mass action was proposed by the Guldberg and Weg in 1864. Guldberg and Weg was proposed this concept in 1864. What is the law of mass action? Friends, law of mass action is the first of all you have to consider a general reaction. The general reaction is A plus B gives C plus D. This is the general reaction. Law of mass action is the rate of forward reaction is directly proportional to the active mass of reactants. Friends, these are the reactants, these are the products. What is the law of mass action? The rate of forward reaction is directly proportional to the active mass of reactants. Friends, these called as the active mass. Okay, the rate of forward reaction is directly proportional to the active mass of reactants. Now rate of forward reaction equal to this proportional symbol is removed. You have to find out the constant. That constant is called as Kf into concentration or active mass of A and active mass of B. Friends, rate of forward reaction equal to Kf into mass of A into active mass of B. This called as the rate constant. Rate constant of forward reaction. Okay friends, and another one is the rate of backward reaction is directly proportional to the active mass of products. You know that what? Active mass of product. Rate of backward reaction is directly proportional to the active mass of products. Friends, products is C and D are the products. Active mass of C and active mass of D. Now rate of backward reaction equal to the K into B active mass of C into active mass of D. This Kb is also called as rate constant of backward reaction. Okay friends, this is the rate of backward reaction and rate of forward reaction. This is the concept of the law of mass action. But you know that in equilibrium what happened there? Rate of forward reaction is equal to the rate of backward reaction. Friends, in equilibrium condition rate of backward reaction is equal to the rate of forward reaction. Now what is the rate of forward reaction and rate of backward reaction? Friends, rate of forward reaction equal to Kf into active mass of A into active mass of B is equal to Kb into active mass of C into active mass of D. You know that Kf by Kb is equal to what happened? Active mass of C into active mass of D by active mass of A into active mass of B. This Kf by Kb is called as equilibrium constant. What friends? Kf by rate of forward reaction by rate of backward reaction is also called as chemical equilibrium constant. This is called as equilibrium constant. That is called Ke is equal to Kf by Kb equal to active mass of products by active mass of reactants. This is called as the Ke is also called as the equilibrium constant. This concept is proposed by the Guldberg and Weg in 1864. Friends, this is the Equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant equal to active mass of products by active mass of reactants. Now we have to consider a one example. What is the equilibrium constant of the that example? Friends, you have to consider this reaction N2 plus 3H2 is gives rise to 2NH3. This is the reaction. This reaction, what is the equilibrium constant? Equilibrium constant Ke equal to active mass of products by active mass of reactants. Friends, these are the products and these are the reactants. Now in this product, this is the stoichiometric coefficient is present in there. Now in equilibrium constant, what happened there? The rate of the active mass of products reached to the power of stoichiometric coefficient. Now what happened? This is the active mass of product NH3 raised to the power of 2 by active mass of reactants N2 raised to the power of 1, active mass of reactants H2 raised to the power of 3. These called as the equilibrium constant of N2 plus 3H2 plus 2NH3. We have to consider another reaction. H2 plus I2 is gives rise to H2HI. This is the H2 plus I2 is gives rise to 2H. What is the equilibrium constant, friend? Rate of forward, the active mass of products is the HI raised to the power of 2 by active mass of reactants H2 and I2. This is the equilibrium constant of the examples of this concept. This is the concept of the law of mass action. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.